In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the access is denied problem in Zarchiver after the latest update. If you've just updated Zarchiver and suddenly you can't extract, move, or delete files because it keeps saying access is denied, don't worry. This is usually related to new storage permission rules on Android, not a bug in the app itself. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, step by step, so your file manager works normally again. First, open Zarchiver on your device. As soon as it opens, take a look at the folders it's showing. After recent Android updates, the app may no longer have full access to your internal storage or SD card, even if it worked fine before. That's why we need to manually give it the correct permissions again. Start by tapping the three dots or menu icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. In that menu, look for an option related to settings or storage. Depending on your version, it may say Settings, Storage Access, or something similar. Tap that to open the app's internal settings. Inside the settings, find the option that lets you configure or request storage permission. On many devices, this will open the Android system permission screen. If you see a button that says something like Grant Access or Allow Management of All Files, go ahead and tap it. Your phone will likely show a system pop-up or redirect you to the app info page. Here, make sure file access is fully enabled. Turn on Files and Media, or Allow All the Time, or Allow Access to All Files, depending on what your device shows. If there's a special toggle for Allow Management of All Files, enable that as well. This is crucial, because without full file access, Zarchiver can't read or write to many folders, which triggers the Access is Denied message. Next, go back into Zarchiver and try navigating to the folder where you were having problems. If you're working with an SD card, you may need to reselect it. Tap the storage selector at the top. Choose your SD card, and when your device asks you to allow access to that card, confirm it. Now test it by extracting a small archive or creating a new folder. If everything is set correctly, the operation should complete without any error. If you still see access is denied, double-check that you granted access to the exact storage location you're using. That's all you need to fix the access is denied problem in Zarchiver after the latest update.